Hi guys, the Black Widow here. Welcome back to my channel. So this was actually going to be a live video. Unfortunately, I have a very poorly baby who's asleep upstairs. It's taken me pretty much all day to get her to sleep. So instead, we're just going to do a typical recording and I'll go live on a different day. So I've got some, I have a package to open. This has come from spidersworldeu. And I have something that I've been waiting a very long time for. This is from Sam from bugrealms. His link will be down in the description. Awesome guy, so do go and check him out. So let's get into this and see. I'm doing this in a really complicated way, aren't I? I know what this is in here. A few other YouTubers have received theirs, so I have been extremely excited to get mine. No letter, Sam. Severely disappointed in you. I'm kidding. Oh wow, that's so cool. It's even more amazing in person. So this is a poster that lovely Sam created for a bunch of us YouTubers, and it says YouTube community, which is a Facebook group that we have for us tarantula exotic keepers. This is me, the Black Widow, and my logo, and then down here we have loads of other YouTubers. So for example, we have bugrealms, eerie arachnids, sidex, Tom's Big Spiders, the Invertebrarian, the Dark Den, we have Tarantula Haven, Predatory Prey, Nerd Room, Tarantula Dan, Kim's Exotics, Payden's Tarantulas, Tarantula Cat, Andrew's Tarantulas, Mark's Tarantulas. I mean, that's just to name a few. There's absolutely loads on there that you can see, and there's, as it says, and many more. There are more YouTubers than this, but these are the ones that I think communicate the most. So I'm really pleased with that, Sam. Thank you so much. That's an absolutely amazing gift, and it will take pride of place in my racking system, which I will frame and display. We've also got some more of these sort of sling pots, because I seem to have a huge amount of slings again at the moment, which is fine. I don't mind slings, you know. I kind of got rid of a fair few slings so that I could focus on juveniles and slightly big ones and breeding products. Unfortunately, there are some species of tarantula that's really quite difficult to get hold of as a juvenile or an adult size. So people, you know, you have to buy them as they come, as a sling. So let's get into this box. I hope that everything has survived okay, because there is a fair amount in here, a fair new sort of additions, some that I wanted, and then a breeding pair that I bought that I was really looking forward to. So packaging from Poland, really good, as always from spidersworldeu. This is my little box. So it's a styrofoam box, which is really good. I tend to keep these boxes because then when I ship off any spiders or anything, I can do it in this. Okay, so let's have a look at what we've got here. Right, so sorry, please excuse me, I've got a nasty cold, and so is my daughter at the moment. Right, so I will be back in just a flash. I'm going to get my tweezers, or tongs, whatever you want to call them. Right guys, so I am back. So let's start with the breeding pair. So these are Cosmos Letzi. That was pretty shit, but nonetheless, that is my breeding pair. This is the male, it's down in that you're not going to be able to see it. These are dwarf species. They're tiny, and this is the female. She's a little bigger. You'll see these when I rehouse, so I'm just checking that they're all alive. Okay, so moving on to, let's go with the, where is that one? Is it this one? Yeah, so this is the Usambra black femur'd baboon. It's only a sling, and again, you will see it when I rehouse it in just a moment. What's that one? Oh, this is the Caribbean diamond. Again, another teeny tiny sling. And this one, let's go with this one. T. subcarulus. Again, that's a really hard one to pronounce. Teeny tiny sling. You'll see it in the rehouse. And this is the one that I am most excited about. It is only tiny. Oh, and it has molted, which is awesome. This is the Thrygomappus psychedelicus, although it has had a name change very recently. So T. psychedelicus, which is incredible. Just, and a really, really awesome tarantula. Oh, no, sorry, other way around. This one is the T. psychedelicus. This one is the subcarulus, which I absolutely butchered. I'm butchering all these names. These are species that I've not kept before. It takes me a little bit of time to get used to the names. So we're going to go ahead. I'm going to set up some enclosures. We'll get them out. We'll have a look. So I think we're going to start off with the male and female. These guys should be good to go. So I'm going to attempt to pair them together, and we'll see what happens. I don't want her to bolt, so I'm just going to give her a little nudge. And she's climbed up here. Let's just get her down. And there she is, tiny. So I'm going to get her a little hide so that if she wants to hide away from the male during pairing, she can. Next up, we're going to do the T. psychedelicus. So here is the T. psychedelicus. It does seem to have some kind of translucent going on the abdomen. There you go, which you can see. So it's got some colour, but this thing will get much more colourful, and I will insert pictures of what this thing will look like. I say this thing, this tarantula. Let's find out just how bolty this little one is. Come on. Come on, sweetie. There we go. Can't even see it. Let blend him right in. Okay, so let's close the lid on that one. So next up, we're going to do the Caribbean diamond. Baby. Baby. Please don't bolt.
Spotify Ad Studio can make your Spotify ad as awesome and authentic as the music our fans love. With our new self-service platform, you can create your Choose your audience, then watch your business grow. Be heard.
In. Put the lid on before it changes its mind. Lovely. So let's do the tea sub carulas. Oh, there we go. Okay. What a beauty. Baby. Okay, so let's get it in its home. Right, okay, so now we're going to do the Zambra black femered baboon. These tend to be a little bit more aggressive, the baboon species, but it is also only a small sling. So let's put it. Whoa. Got it. I think it's going to come out on its own. Here it comes. Let's get a better close up. There it is. Oh, and it's doing a little happy dance. So it's obviously pleased. It kind of looks a bit like an OBT, doesn't it? But I can assure you it's not. Okay guys, so that's the end of the video. There's not much going on with the breeding right now. What I've done is I've co-housed them, but he is inside his own little vial with the lid on, so they can't actually get to each other. They are just going to cohabit for a little while, kind of get used to each other, get used to their environment. I'll feed them and then I'll try and take the lid off and pair again. All the other ones are rehoused. So that's it for me today. Go and check out my Discord if you want to be able to chat with me one-on-one. I post my content on there. You can post your content on there. I also do my competitions via my Discord. I haven't done any yet, but there will be coming up very soon. I'm just approaching 430 subscribers. When I get to 600, I will be doing a tarantula giveaway. And go ahead and check out my Instagram. It's the Black Widow 101 with underscores under each word and number. Go and check that out. That is for my photos, personal photos. That's kind of like my personal platform. You can kind of learn a little bit more about me one-on-one outside of my tarantulas, but I also post a huge variety of awesome photos of my tarantulas on there. I also have a Facebook account, and if you want to oh gosh, what is that? Shut up. If you would like to send me anything, whether that be an invert, or whether you want to send me a letter, or if you would just like to talk to me, my email address is down below. Feel free to message me and let me know. Do like and subscribe if you are not subscribed to this channel. Those numbers do really help me grow my channel, and they really support me and let me know that you're enjoying what I'm doing. So I hope you guys enjoyed, despite me having an awful cold and not being maybe as enthusiastic as I usually am. I'm full of cold, my baby's full of cold, I've been up all night, but I was really excited for this unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you again really soon.